So I had an idea the other day when I found this rigid reamer. I have this old unicorn splitter I made that I haven't done anything with. So I went ahead and cut apart the reamer. It was harder than I thought it was, so I had to break out the grinder, bored out the little hub, and made an interface on my unicorn splitter that would fit the ratcheting handle. It went pretty well. You see the little hub there, and the hub, I cut some splines in the back of the unicorn thread so that the ratcheting handle could lock into an interface. Next I had to make some blades so that it wouldn't twist, so I'm going to have some handles and a blade, and that's the cap to keep the whole thing together. That's going to weld to the two blades. Here we laid out the blades. They're going to be there's like 7 degrees for the thread relief, and then 15 degrees to the angles, and then some little 30-degree angle on the corners. It was a pretty fun project. That bolt's supposed to hold the tip. Here we clipped off the corners the traditional way, and then I just went ahead and ground the rest. So here's kind of the assembly put together before I weld it. There's the two sides, the two blades, and the cap, and the bolt that goes on the end. I went ahead and took a 1/2-inch drill and drilled into the end of the bolt, and that gives the tip, because the tip has about a 30-degree angle on it. And then we tack welded it together here and welded it the rest of the way. And then I have the assembly, and it's just kind of a test. I shoved some wood chips in there to give some resistance and check to see if the ratcheting had worked. And the whole thing looks like it's going to be a success. Weld the handle on and test it out tomorrow. Tune back.